Hello, today we will guide you through how to issue a credit note in manager.io. A credit note lets you reverse part or all of a sale, commonly used for returns, price adjustments, or correcting an overcharge, so your customer balance and revenue stay accurate. Start by opening Manager.io on your computer and entering your business file. On the main screen, look down the left-hand menu for credit notes located with the sales-related tabs. Open it to see the list of any credit notes you already have, then choose New Credit Note to begin a fresh one. Set the date issued first. Pick the date the credit should take effect. Many organizations use the date the return was approved or goods were received back. Keeping the date consistent with your internal policy helps reporting line up with reality. Next, select the customer. Choose the same customer that appears on the original invoice you are reducing. If your form includes a field to reference an invoice or order, add that reference so everyone can trace exactly what's being credited and why. Enter the customer address if your template shows it and it isn't already filled. Use the billing address that matches your records, since it appears on the document the customer may receive. Now add the items you're crediting. Click into the item field and pick the product or service from your list. Manager will pull through the default description and price if you've set those up. You can adjust the description to clarify the reason for the credit, such as returned undamaged or price adjustment. Enter the quantity to be credited. If you're reversing only part of a sale, enter just that amount. The unit price and tax code, if applicable, will fill in as usual, and Manager will calculate the totals automatically. Double-check the tax treatment matches the original sale and your local rules. Take a moment to review totals, taxes, and any notes or reasons field. A clear explanation helps audit trails. If you work with multiple currencies, confirm the currency and rate match the original sale. For inventory items, Manager will handle stock movement for you when the credit note is created. For service lines, make sure the income account is the intended one through your item setup. When everything looks correct, date, customer, address, line items, quantities, prices and tax, choose Create to save the credit note. Manager will apply it to accounts receivable, reducing the customer's balance. From the list, you can view the saved credit note and keep it with your records or share it according to your normal process. That's it. Your credit note is now recorded and ready for reconciliation.